Hello and welcome to lesson 1. Today I will be covering measures of central tendency. So the agenda today is to go over what the mean, median, and mode are, and I'll be doing that by giving you definitions and going over some examples. Let's begin with mean. Now the mean is also called the arithmetic average. The mean is the average of a set of numbers. To find the mean of a data set, add up all the numbers in the set and then divide the total by the number of terms in the set. So m equals sum of terms divided by the number of terms. So you can go ahead and pause this, copy this down, and then I'll show you an example as I unpackage these couple of sentences in a formal example. Okay, so let's take a look at the first example. So here it says, we surveyed 5 city blocks to see how many buildings are on each. Our data set was 5, 10, 12, 13, and 15, and here we're trying to find the mean. To find the mean, we're going to have to get the sum of all of our terms, so we're going to have to add up all of these values, and then we're going to divide by the number of terms. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms total, so after the addition, we're going to divide by 5. So let's go ahead and do it. So I can do this by first adding 5 and 10, so I got 15, and then here 12 plus 13, that's going to give me 25, and then I have a 15 here. And then I noticed that a 15 plus 15, that gives me a 30, and I still have that 25 here, and 30 plus 25 equals 55. So when I add up all of these numbers, I'm going to get a total of 55. Now to get the mean, I have to now divide by the number of terms, and like I said before, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms, so we have to get 55 and divide it by 5, which is 11. So the mean is going to equal 11 here. So go ahead, try the next set of examples, and I'll see you back in the next video. We'll be talking about the median. And actually, just to clarify, you can do this addition however you'd like. If you're unsure, you can just add them left to right. So do 5 plus 10, then whatever you get, add it to 12. Whatever you get, add it to 13. Whatever you get, add it to 15. You can do it that way. Or if you're more flexible with numbers, you could kind of do what I did, kind of just move them around and add them in that way. Also, if you have a calculator, even though I highly encourage you to practice your arithmetic, if you could technically just plug this in the calculator and get the total and then divide by 5. But again, challenge yourselves so you don't lose those basic skills of computing numbers that aren't too big. But I'll let you use your best judgment and go about this however you feel most comfortable. So again, try the next problems out, and then I'll see you in the next video.